everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. For today's video, I'm going to be talking all about deodorant, which I think I've only talked about a few times here on my channel. I have been trying to be more sustainable with the products that I buy in terms of packaging, and obviously these really are not recyclable, and I wanted to do something to change that. And Beauty Counter was kind enough to send me a few products to help me get started in this new journey. So I will be talking all about their Clean Deo deodorant, and as always, all the products that I mention in this video will be down below. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting off, this has been the deodorant that I've been using for a few years now. It is just the Axe Apollo All Day Fresh one, and it is one of the blue gel ones. I have switched between this and Old Spice for the past few years, and I go through deodorant pretty fast. Ever since I was younger, I've had this issue where I just am super sweaty, especially under my arms. I used to be so self-conscious of it, but now I just don't even care anymore. I also used to have to use a prescription deodorant when I was younger because it was so bad. I'm not someone who can use Secret deodorant or Dove or anything like that because it just does not work for me. And by the end of the day, I usually end up smelling like an Italian sandwich, which is absolutely disgusting and probably way more information than you guys wanted to hear about me. But I'm sitting here being honest with you guys, and I was probably going through 2 of these a month, which everyone is probably like gasping because I think normally people go like a month or 2 with 1 stick of deodorant. I am not one of those people who can do that. And after doing research, I figured out that a more natural deodorant could actually be better for me and my issues than a store-bought deodorant. And I'm lucky enough that Beauty Counter wanted to send me a few of their products to try. Let me tell you, I'm so in love with their deodorant. This is just the Beauty Counter Clean Deo. It comes in a little cardboard packaging, which is in fact recyclable, and it actually tells you on the bottom which parts of it are recyclable and which parts are not. So for this whole entire stick of deodorant, the box is recyclable as well as the plastic stick itself, and the only thing you have to throw away is the cap. I will do some close-up shots of everything so that you can see better. I know it's probably hard to see from that far away when it's something small. And something that's really unique about this product is that it is refillable. Basically, all you have to do is buy the actual deodorant and case itself. It does come with one of these sticks of deodorant when you buy the original one, and it is $28. And then each of the refills after that are $18, and a bunch of you are probably like, that is really expensive for deodorant. However, like any other product, a good product is going to cost you more money, but I can assure you it is worth it. As we all know, I'm not someone who likes to pay a lot of money for things and usually tend to do deals. However, this is one of those things that I will in fact splurge on, just like my skincare. Also, this lasts way longer than this. And these in general are like $4 to $6, which is crazy. And when you think about how many I'm actually going through, the price actually pretty much equals itself out. A few things about this deodorant is that it is aluminum free, which is a big thing that I really wanted in a deodorant, because while studies don't have precise information, aluminum in deodorants can actually be a cause of breast cancer and put you at a greater risk. And for those of you who do not know, I actually lost my grandmother almost 10 years ago, which is crazy, after 3 long battles against breast cancer. I was 16 at the time. I do have videos on it talking about grief and everything like that I will leave down below. So I'm a huge advocate for breast cancer awareness, and although there is not enough information on whether it does or does not put you at a greater risk, I have been hearing for years that it in fact can. Aluminum-free deodorants in general have a lot of benefits, and the first is that for some people, the aluminum-free deodorant can help reduce irritation under the arms. It allows for healthy sweating because your pores will be more clear, as well as deodorants like this one that are natural help to naturally neutralize odors. And Beauty Counter actually sent this cool card along with the deodorant, so I figured I would read a few of the key points on it. And the first little blurb just says, your new deodorant has nothing to hide, aluminum free, long lasting, and scented with essential oils and naturally derived fragrances. The Clean Deo glides on effortlessly and neutralizes odors all day, and I can attest to that. And I am a perfect candidate to attest for that. And then it also has a few points on if you are new to the Clean Deo experience, and the first one says you need to put it to the test, which means if you have sensitive skin, you should probably do a patch test on the inside of your wrist to test and make sure you don't have a reaction to it before going and putting it on your armpits. And then it goes on to say, when you switch from an antiperspirant to a deodorant, it can take several weeks for your underarms to detox, and you might experience a temporary odor. Trust us, this won't last long, and I can attest to that. At first, I was like, oh, this isn't working because I smell worse than I did before. And the last one is also one that I absolutely love, and it says, staining is the pits, no pun intended. And it says, the Clean Deo was formulated to minimize the potential for staining clothes, but factors like body chemistry, fabric content, and detergent can lead to discoloration. If you're detoxing from an aluminum-based antiperspirant, you may notice discoloration as residual buildup is released from your sweat glands. If you experience discoloration, be sure to wash your clothes immediately to help prevent staining. And now I'm going to talk a little bit about scents. I am not someone who really enjoys overly scented deodorant that makes you smell like candy and fruit and stuff like that, which is mainly why I use men's deodorant, on top of the fact that it works way better. However, I am absolutely in love with these scents that Beauty Counter offers. They do only offer 3 scents. They offer Clean Rose, which is the pink one, Fresh Coconut, which is like this nudie blush pink one, as well as a soft lavender one, which I have not smelled, but that will be my refill after I use this one. And now I'm gonna open it back up so that I can actually show you the deodorant itself. So this is what it looks like. It is just in this pink case, and then you take the top off and it comes with this little plastic piece on top, which is the cap that you're supposed to get rid of. And it's like any other deodorant where you twist it up from the bottom and it comes out. Keep in mind that whatever you pick for your original scent is the color packaging you will have for your duration of using the Clean Deo. They do not put your scent on the outside of it or anything like that, obviously, because it is refillable. My original one was the Clean Rose one, so my packaging is hot pink. Now I'm going to show you guys the refill. This is just what the refill looks like. Like I said, mine is just the coconut one, and I really like that on the actual container for the refill, as well as the other one. It says, don't sweat it, you can replace me and recycle me. And in the original packaging on the inside, it does say, when you are running low, all you have to do is order a new refill at beautycounter.com. You remove and recycle the empty refill, keep the case, pop in the new refill into the case, swipe on, and go. I am really excited to use the coconut one this summer because it literally smells like you're at the beach, and the rose one gives off major spring vibes. So this is just how I am getting a jump start on this new journey of being more sustainable with my beauty, skincare, hair care, and products in general. So many products come in the bulkiest packaging ever that is not recyclable, and something that really irritates me is that a lot of these companies use super bulky packaging for no reason. If you guys have a favorite deodorant that is more natural and sustainable, definitely let me know what it is in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I upload new videos regularly and would love it if you'd become part of our little family. Also be sure to hit the bell if you have not already so that you are in fact notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!